This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Fox-Jarvis team. Look no further. Beautifully upgraded townhouse in sought-after Governor's Square neighborhood in Lake Smith Terrace. Low maintenance all brick exterior, beautifully upgraded kitchen featuring granite countertops, new cabinets and stainless appliances. Plantation shutters throughout. Newer roof and HVAC system. Large manicured backyard with shed. This one won't last long. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Fox-Jarvis team at 757-490-1254.